This is not clickbait. I did pass AP Studio Art 2D without taking the class and not drawing a single thing. This is how I did it. I wanted to take the class, but studio leans more towards hands-on art, and I was leaning more towards learning digital like photography and graphic design, and I couldn't fit both into my schedule, so I opted for digital, but I still asked the AP art teacher if I could submit my portfolio, and she was completely on board. Usually you photograph your works, but since mine were photographs themselves, I can't exactly vouch for that process, but I can tell you that my pictures were shot with my Sony Alpha 65 and Canon G9x. To edit my photos pre-Lightroom era, I used Photoshop, InDesign, iPhoto, VSCO, and Pixlr. And because I started on my portfolio 2 days before it was due, I completely forgot to unarchive some gems. Even though the breath portion is now removed in the new version, it's basically a compilation of your best and most diverse work, where each is more unique than the last. I would have much liked this to be kept because personally I think it really shows the range of your talent in a way, and that's something that the concentration limits. For my concentration, I went for an urban landscape fashion photoshoot-esque magazine look. At least that's what I said in the response. But it was really just a fun rendezvous in Long Beach with my dear friend Ashanti. The concentration is made up of 12 pieces that all together share a revolving theme, but now they've added 3 more and removed the breath entirely. So I answered the following questions, also written the day of. What is the central idea of your concentration, and how does the work in your concentration demonstrate the exploration of your idea? But now they've switched it to your intent, what you used to make it, and how you made it. Then you answer what questions you wanted to answer with your work, and how your investigation shows practice, experimentation, and revision. So tips: create more than you think you need, and reach out to your teacher because they might like some of the images you aren't too hot about, which happened in my case. These are the 5 pieces you physically submit to College Board. The portfolio is 18 by 24 inches, and the pictures I ordered from Walgreens were 11 by 14 inches. These quality pieces should be the best of the best, and they don't need to be the ones you submitted online. The order you submitted in matters. So, in conclusion, start on your portfolio a week before the deadline. Submit only artsy-fartsy photographs, and don't go to a school that only accepts 5s when you get a 4.